nature's most powerful forces can change the course of entire regions. Right now, Hurricane Lorena is intensifying in the Pacific, and though it won't make landfall in the U.S., its impacts are already being felt. So what does this mean for the Southwest, and how can we prepare for the heavy rain and potential flooding coming our way?
Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest on Hurricane Lorena, which has just become the 12th storm of the 2025 Eastern Pacific hurricane season. While Lorena may not make landfall in the U.S., its remnants are set to bring significant weather changes to the desert Southwest. Let's break down what's happening and how it will impact Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. As of late Tuesday morning, Hurricane Lorena strengthened to a Category 1 storm with maximum sustained winds of 80 mph. It's currently located just off the western coast of Mexico's Baja Peninsula, less than 200 miles away.
Hurricanes are unpredictable, especially as they weaken or intensify. Lorena's forecast is uncertain, with some models suggesting it will weaken faster and dissipate before reaching land, while others predict it could make landfall on Baja California as a tropical storm.
Regardless of its path, Lorena is already affecting the region with heavy rain. In fact, areas around Los Cabos in the southern Baja Peninsula have already received up to 8 inches of rain. Though Lorena won't directly make land in the U.S., the storm's remnants are forecast to bring moisture into southern Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas later this week, with heavy rain expected as early as Friday. This could trigger flash floods, especially in higher elevations. Flood watches are already in effect for parts of southern Arizona, where more than an inch of rain is possible. But it's not all bad news. Many areas in the desert Southwest, including much of Arizona and New Mexico, have been experiencing drought conditions. This storm's moisture, though potentially dangerous, could be a much-needed relief for the drought-stricken region. Heavy rainfall, high surf, and gusty winds will affect coastal and desert areas, especially along the Baja Peninsula. But once the storm moves inland, its remnants could lead to more widespread flash flooding and mudslides across the Southwest.
Even though Lorena is weakening, the moisture it's bringing could cause localized flooding and exacerbate current drought conditions. This will be particularly true across Arizona, New Mexico, and parts of Texas. So it's crucial to stay prepared and stay updated as forecasts change.
While the moisture could help relieve drought conditions, it also comes with risks. Many areas, particularly in southern Arizona, are still reeling from the effects of wildfires and ongoing dry conditions. This means that even moderate rainfall can quickly turn dangerous. Flood watches and warnings are in effect, and residents should prepare for the possibility of flash floods. Even if you're not directly in the storm's path, the weather impacts from Hurricane Lorena's remnants will be widespread. Here's how you can prepare for the potential flooding and stormy conditions ahead. 1. Keep an eye on weather updates and flood watches. 2. Avoid low-lying areas prone to flash floods, such as wash areas and riverbeds. 3. Ensure your drainage systems are clear, and consider having an emergency kit on hand. As Hurricane Lorena moves away from the Pacific coast, its influence will still be felt in the Southwest. Remember, it's not just about the storm's strength. It's about how its remnants can bring both relief and danger to regions that need it the most. Stay informed, stay safe, and be ready to act if necessary.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for updates and continue supporting independent journalism that keeps you informed, only on PBS.